happy. So today we are going to begin with the lesson number 13 of your class 8 English, that is realization to life. So let's begin with this lesson. Meena is good friend of mine. Meena क्या है? एक अच्छी friend है मेरी. She is an LIC officer earning a good salary. वो क्या है? एक LIC officer है जिसको एक अच्छी खासी salary मिल रही है. वो अच्छी खासी salary earn कर रही है. But there was something strange about her. बस कुछ चीज अलग है उसके बारे में. She was forever unhappy. वो हमेशा दुखी रहती है. Whenever I met her, I would start to feel depressed. जब भी मैं उससे मिलती हूँ मैं depressed feel करने लगती हूँ. It was as thought her gloom and cynicism had a way of spreading to others. She never had anything positive. उसमें कभी कोई चीज positive नहीं होती उसके साथ to say or any subject or about any person. उसको कोई भी चीज positive नहीं होती किसी इंसान के बारे में बोलने के लिए, किसी चीज के बारे में बोलने के लिए. For instance, I might say to her, Meena, did you know Rakesh has come first in his school? फिर मैंने मीना उससे बोला इंस्टेंस के लिए कि मीना तुम्हें पता है राकेश फर्स्ट आया स्कूल में. Mina's immediate reaction would be the belittle the other achievements. So उसका एक immediate reaction क्या था? Make something seem unimportant, कि कोई ये ज्यादा चीज unimportant है, मतलब important नहीं है बिल्कुल भी. Naturally his father is a school teacher. She would say कि उसने बोला कि उसके father school teacher है तो of course आना ही था. If I said Meena, Shweta is a very beautiful girl, isn't? फिर मैंने बोला उससे मीना श्वेता ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल है क्या नहीं है वो. शी वुड बी पेसिमिस्टिक. वो बहुत ज्यादा पेसिमिस्टिक हो जाती है. व्हेन अ पोनी इज यंग ही लुक्स हैंडसम. जब वो छोटी थी जब ज्यादा हैंडसम लगता था. इट इज एज दैट मैटर्स. ये एज है जो मैटर करती है. वेट फॉर सम टाइम श्वेता विल बी अग्लियर देन एनीवन दैट यू नो. थोड़े टाइम का वेट करो श्वेता बहुत अगली हो जाएगी जबकि तुम जानती भी नहीं होगी इतनी अगली हो जाएगी वो. Meena, it's a beautiful day. Let's go for a walk. Meena, ये अच्छा दिन है चलो walk के लिए चलते हैं. No, the sun is too hot and I get tired if I walk too much. आज बहुत ज्यादा गर्मी है, सन बहुत ज्यादा hot है और अगर मैं ज्यादा चलूंगी मैं थक जाऊंगी. Besides, who say walking is good for health? There is no proof. कौन कहता है कि walking अच्छी होती है health के लिए? कोई proof है क्या इसका? That was Meena. She stayed alone in an apartment in Bangalore and her parents lived in Delhi. वो अकेली रहती थी अपार्टमेंट में बैंगलोर में. उसके पेरेंट्स कहाँ रहते थे? दिल्ली में रहते थे. She was an only child and has a habit of complaining about anything. वो एक अकेली बच्ची थी, अपनी अकेली चाइल्ड थी, हर टाइम कंप्लेन करती रहती थी और हर चीज के बारे में. Naturally, she was not very pleasant company. She was not very. वो ज्यादा pleasant company नहीं थी and nobody wanted to visit her. कोई उससे मिलने की मन नहीं करता था. Then one day Meena was transferred to Bombay and soon we all forget about her. एक दिन वो ट्रांसफर हो गया उसका बॉम्बे और सब हम उसके बारे में भूल गए. Many years later I found myself caught in the train of at Bombay's Flora Fountain. So मैं बहुत साल बाद I found myself, मैंने अपने आप को कहाँ देखा कि Bombay's Flora Fountain में I was pouring and I did not have an umbrella. मैं भीग रही थी और मेरे पास एक अम्ब्रेला भी नहीं था. It was pouring, मतलब बारिश हो रही थी और मेरे पास अम्ब्रेला भी नहीं था. I was standing near a popular department store. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा popular department store के पास खड़ी थी. Waiting for the rain to subside. की रेन को रुकने की कोशिश कर रही थी, मतलब कि रेन रुक जाए. Suddenly I spotted Meena. मैंने मीना को देखा. My first reaction was to avoid being seen by her. मेरा पहला रिएक्शन था कि मैं अवॉइड करूँ कि वो मुझे देख ना पाए. Having to listen to her never-ending complaints कि वो हमेशा complaints ही करती रहती है, मैं उसे अवॉइड करती हूँ. However, she had already seen me and caught hold my hand cheerfully and said, एकदम से उसने मुझे देख लिया, उसने मेरा हाथ पकड़ा और बोली, Hey, I'm really excited. It's nice to meet old friends. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा excited हुई. अच्छी बात है मैं old friends से मिली. What are you doing here? तुम यहाँ क्या कर रही हो? I explained that I was in Bombay on official work. मैंने उसे explain करा कि मैं बॉम्बे में एक official work के लिए हूँ. Then stay with me tonight, she said. तो उसने बोला आज मेरे साथ रुको. Let's chat. चलो बात करते हैं. Do you know that old wine, old friend and memories are precious and rare? तुम्हें पता है old friends, old wine और memories बहुत ज़्यादा precious होती है और rare होती है. I could not believe it. Was this really Meena? मैंने believe नहीं करा कि सच में मीना है. I pinched myself hard to be sure that it was not a dream. मैंने pinch करा कि पक्का कोई dream तो नहीं है. But Meena was really standing there right in front of me, squeezing my hand, smiling. Yes. And yes, she did look happy और वो खुश भी लग रही थी. In the 3 years she had been in Bangalore, वो 3 साल से बैंगलोर में थी. I had never once seen her smiling like that. मैंने आज तक उसे ऐसे स्माइल करते हुए नहीं देखा था. A few strands of gray in her hair reminded me that years have passed. और उसके grey hairs देखे मैंने रियलाइज करा कि years pass हो चुके हैं. There were a few wrinkles on her face. थोड़ी सी wrinkles थी उसके face पे, but the truth was that she looked more attractive than ever before. But वो इतनी अच्छी attractive लग रही थी कभी मतलब पहले से भी ज़्यादा. So finally I managed to say no Meena, I can't stay with you tonight. तो मैंने manage करा, मैंने उससे बोला नहीं मीना मैं तुम्हारे साथ आज नहीं रह सकती. I have to attend a dinner. मुझे एक dinner attend करना है. Give me your card and I will keep in touch with you. मेरे को अपना कार्ड दो, मैं तुम्हारे साथ टच में रहूंगी. I promise. For a moment, Meena looked disappointed. Meena disappointed हो गई. Let's go and have tea at least. She insisted. तो उसने insist करा चलो एक बार टी पी लेते हैं, चाय पी लेते हैं. But Meena, it's pouring. But Meena, बारिश हो रही है. So what? We will buy an umbrella and then go to the Grand Hotel. She said. उसने बोला तो हम एक अम्ब्रेला खरीद लेते तो ग्रैंड होटल जाएंगे. We won't get a taxi in this rain. I grumbled. मैंने बोला उससे कि हमें टैक्सी भी नहीं मिलेगी इतनी बारिश में. So what? We will walk. तो क्या हुआ हम वॉक कर लेंगे. Grumble means complain in a bad-tempered way. So I was surprised that was not the same Meena I had known. मैं surprised हो गई तो वो मीना नहीं है जिसे मैं जानती थी. Today she seemed ready to make a number of adjustments. आज देखो वो कितने number of adjustments कर लेती है. We reached the Grand Hotel drenched. हम कहाँ पहुँचे मतलब ग्रैंड होटल पहुँचकर drenched means thoroughly wet, अच्छे से बहुत अच्छे से भीग गए थे हम. But then the only thought in my mind was to find out who or what had brought about such a change in a pessimistic Meena that I had known. I was quite curious, but मैं ये जानना चाहती कि मीना में इतने चेंज कैसे आ गए. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा क्यूरियस थी जानने के लिए. Tell me Meena, is there a Prince Charming who has managed to change you? So चलो मीना मुझे बोला कोई Prince Charming है जिसने तुम्हें चेंज कर दिया है. Meena was surprised by my question. मीना सरप्राइज हो गई मेरे क्वेश्चन से. No, there is not anyone like that. She said नहीं ऐसा कोई भी नहीं है. She smiled and then said, "A beggar changed my life." उसने स्माइल करा बोला एक beggar ने मेरी लाइफ को चेंज कर दिया है. I was absolutely dumbfounded and she could see it. मतलब मैं बहुत ज़्यादा स्पीचलेस हो गई थी और सरप्राइज हो गई थी और वो देख पा रही थी इस चीज़ को. Yes, a beggar, she repeated. उसने बोला हाँ एक beggar नहीं करा है. As it reassured me कि उसने मेरे को make somebody less worried मुझे reassure करा कि हाँ एक beggar नहीं करा है. He was old and used to stay in front of my house with his 5 years old granddaughter. वो बहुत ज़्यादा old थे और अपनी granddaughter के साथ कहाँ रहते थे मेरे घर के सामने रहते थे 5 years की granddaughter के साथ. I used to give my leftovers to this beggar every time. मैं हमेशा अपना leftover देती थी beggars को हर दिन. I never spoke to him. मैं कभी नहीं बोली उनसे. Nor did he speak to me. ना कभी वो बोले. One monsoon day, I looked out of my bedroom window and started cursing the rain. एक दिन मैंने मानसून डे अपने रूम से बाहर देखा और कर्स करने लगी रेन को. I don't know why I did because I was not even getting wet. मेरे को नहीं पता मैंने ऐसा क्यों करा पर मैं बारिश में भीग भी नहीं रही थी तब भी करा मैंने कर्स रेन को. That day I could not give the beggar and his granddaughter their daily quota of leftovers. मैं उस दिन अपना leftover भी नहीं दे पाई थी daily quota अपने granddaughter उनकी granddaughter beggar को. They were hungry I am sure. भूखे होंगे पक्का. However, what I saw from my window surprised me. जो भी मैंने window से देखा उसने मुझे surprise करा. The beggar and the young girl were playing on the road because there was no traffic. Beggar और young girl जो थे रोड पे खेल रहे थे क्योंकि वहाँ पे कोई traffic नहीं था. They were laughing, clapping and वो laugh कर रहे थे, clap कर रहे थे and screaming joyously as if they were in paradise. जैसे वो एकदम paradise में heaven में इतनी खुश थे वो. Hunger and rain did not matter. Hunger और बारिश भूख और बारिश उनके लिए मैटर नहीं कर रही थी. They were completely drenched but totally happy. I envied their zest for life. So मैंने देखा वो पूरे भीग गए थे पर फिर भी happy थे. So I envied their zest for life. That scene forced me to look at my own life. फिर मैंने अपनी life पे देखा. I realized that I had so many comforts. कि मेरे पास तो बहुत सारी comforts हैं. None of which they had. कि उनमें से कोई भी उन पे नहीं है. But they had the most important of all assets. On one which I lacked. उन पे एक सबसे important asset है जिसमें मैं lack कर रही हूँ मतलब thing of value है जिसमें मैं lack कर रही हूँ. They knew how to be happy. They knew how to be happy with life as it was. उनको पता है कि वो happy कैसे रह सकते हैं life के साथ जैसे वो है. I felt ashamed of myself. मैंने shame feel किया अपने ऊपर. I even started to make a list what I had and what I did not have. तो मैंने एक लिस्ट बनाई कि मेरे पास क्या है और मेरे पे क्या नहीं है. I found I had more to be grateful for than most people could imagine. मेरे को grateful होना चाहिए कि people की लोगों पे वो चीज़ नहीं भी है, मेरे पास जो है. That day I decided to change my attitude towards life. तो मैंने decide करा अपना attitude change करने के लिए life के towards using the beggar as my role model. मैंने beggar को एक अपना role model बना लिया था. So as my role model. After a long pause, I asked Meena how long it had been taken her to change. मैंने फिर लॉन्ग पॉज बाद मीना से पूछा कितना टाइम लगा तुम्हें चेंज होने के लिए. Once the realization dawned, she said, Dawn मतलब understood for the first time. She said it took me almost 2 years to put the change into effect. मेरे को 2 साल लगे चेंज करने में, अपने ऊपर ये इफेक्ट लाने में. As you know, I was a chronic pessimistic. तुम्हें पता था मैं long lasting pessimistic थी. Chronic मतलब बहुत टाइम से जो चलता आ रहा है. Old habits die hard. पुरानी आदतें लेट जाती है. But now nothing matters. अब कोई मैटर नहीं करता. I am always cheerful and happy. मैं हमेशा cheerful रहती हूँ और happy रहती हूँ. I find happiness in every small thing, in every situation, in every person. में happiness हर चीज छोटी छोटी चीजों में निकाली थी हर person में. So did you give guru dakshina to your guru? आया क्या तुम गुरु दक्षिणा देती अपने गुरु को? No, unfortunately, by the time I understood things, he was dead. जब तक मैं चीजें समझती वो dead हो चुके थे. But I sponsored his granddaughter to be a boarding school as a mark of respect to him. तो मैंने उनकी granddaughter को एक boarding school में admit करा दिया उसके education के लिए as a respect for him. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. Now let's solve the exercises of this lesson. Think and answer. Dash was unhappy forever. कौन रहता था unhappy? Meena. Meena stayed alone in an apartment in Bombay. Meena was transferred to Bombay. Sorry, Meena's alone apartment in Bengaluru. पहले तो बेंगलुरु रहती थी ना. For a moment, Meena looked depressed, disappointed, happy, or Rampur, depressed, disappointed. For a moment, Meena looked happy, disappointed, happy. Dash changed the life of Meena, beggar. Fill in the blank. Meena is an LIC officer earning a good salary. Meena insisted on having tea despite the pouring of rain. She never had anything dash to say, anything good. The narrator was caught in the rain at dash Flora Fountain, Bombay. A beggar and his granddaughter changed Meena's life to A beggar and his granddaughter changed Meena's thinking towards life. Meena's thoughts. THOUGHTH. PS. Now, write T and T for true and F for false statements. Meena was always a cheerful person. False. Meena stayed alone in Bengaluru too. The narrator was initially in Bombay for vacation. False. She was not for vacation. It took Meena almost 2 years to become an optimist. True. The beggar and his granddaughter were usually sad and quiet. False. Answer the following questions. Who was Meena? What was strange about her? Meena was the narrator's friend. She was a LIC officer and was earning a good salary. The strange thing was that she is always happy. She is always complaining. She is never happy. How did the narrator know that Meena had changed completely? That she is turning every impossibility into positivity. She is seeing the rain as a positivity, that her life has been changed and she was happy to see her friend. So describe the scene that Meena saw through the window. The Meena saw that the rain was having and the rain was pouring and the beggar and her granddaughter was playing on the road. and they were very happy. How did the transformation come about? The transformation come in Meena from the beggars and her granddaughter's life. Who did Meena credit for her change in perspective towards life? The Meena credit the beggar for the change of perspective towards his life, and for Guru Dakshina, he had educated the granddaughter of the beggar in a boarding school. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. Thank you and have a great day.